Hello, good morning, everybody. My name is Alexander. Today is the 26th of September 2022, and this is my chart breakdown. A little recap from last week. This candle was painting, where I said if we got the bearish close, I was trying to see if the market would push to 29,500. We got that bearish push. I got in the trade on lower time frame. We pushed the market to 29,500. So you can see that that played out nice and good. So what do we have now? We are currently in the last week of the month, so it's ideal we check the monthly to see how the monthly is painting. On the monthly, we see some type of 1 to 3 setup forming. If it closes bearish, that means there is a lot of room down to go for the US 30. So there's a lot of downward push, meaning money is going to be flowing into the US dollar and coming out of the US stock market. Checking the weekly, as of this moment, want to see how this week will close. If it closes bullish, that means we might get some kind of reversal in this point. If it closes bearish, then this whole level here has been broken. It further solidifies the bearish movement we'll be expecting from in the nearest future. So as of this moment, daily candle, today is Monday. We are at a support. We want to see if this support will break with today's candle, or it will paint a bullish reversal. As of now, it's giving some type of higher low on the lower time frame. If you go on your M30 or your M15, you would see the market giving some kind of lower high. So this is it. The only way you can start to look for sales is when there's a break of that level. So you see a higher low is painting, a lower high is also painting. So we want to see if this market will push back into this level. Let me take out some of these. Uh, this. We still have this level here. So let me just extend it, extend it, extend it. If we see this market come back into this spray here, we want to see it give some type of retest. It might retest like that, then push back up, or it might just go up and give us some type of lower high scenario. If you want to draw a Fibonacci from this point, let's draw the Fibonacci and see. We have what? We have a 23.6. Oh, it's 38.2. So if we drop this and we want to draw a minor peak here, we want to see if the market will give us a lower high. If it gives us a lower high, we are still bearish. But if it does not, if it gives us a lower high and another higher low, it means that retracement wants to be steep. The retracement has a potential of being steep, so we would want to see if the market will push higher. If it will do that, then we'll react to the market after it has done that. But for now, we see some type of higher low on the lower time frame, and it looks like this point is holding on the lower time frame. So we want to see if it will really hold or it will keep pushing back up. AUD USD was around here. We were expecting more bearish push. We got that bearish push. I told you guys I had a 1:2 sell setup, sell entry. After I saw that break here, the two bearish candle closing below this level, meaning this level got broken. I got in an entry inside this wick here, and you can see the market went. So all in all, I got a um, one two 1:2 and a 1:1.2. So those went fine. So let's see the same thing on the AU chart. Let's go on the monthly and see how it's painting. It's pushing to a monthly low, to this monthly low here, pushing to that monthly low there. So we want to see how the market will fare. Weekly pushing, we want to see if this week will close bullish or bearish. If it closes bearish, then we expect further bearishness. We want to see how today will close also. We have there is some sort of rejection back far back in time. I don't like going far back in time. So let's see if we can work with this. We see some type of bias exhaustion in all these candles. If you go on lower time frame, you see some type of lower high formation painting and a high that is not breaking. Exactly. This high is failing to break. There is some sort of exhaustion that we are seeing, which is seen on the higher time frame. So we want to see if this market will break. If it breaks this point, we would like to see if the market will keep pushing back up. If it comes back into this level, then there is a high potential of it coming up there. If not, we might just get a push, a bullish close here and a bearish close, and then the market will push back down. That's that for AU. It's Monday, so there really isn't so much to look at. USD CHF, I said we had a potential 1, 2, 3 formation painting when this was painting and this was floating. We got that close. I think I got an entry around here. I had a tight stop loss around here. You could see the market went up. The market came back to that high that I said we might see the market retest. It has come back to that level and it's failing to break the 98,500 barrier I talked about, even if we are still in a lower high scenario. We want to see if the market will reject or it will break this point. If it comes below this whole level here and breaks this level, then there's the potential of the market coming down here. That's that. If it breaks that high there, on the monthly, it's painting some kind of bullish candle. So monthly is bullish. Weekly is showing some type of bullish presence. So want to see if weekly will close bearish or not. Daily, the same thing. Daily has some type of bias exhaustion. So it might push down or it might break this high here. Might break that high and start to push into higher ground. BTC BTC is doing what we analyzed, push, break, retest, coming back into this level, which was seen on the daily time frame that I said we might just see the market retest this level since it's failing to break that level at that point. It might just retest it, give us some type of higher low scenario. We can see that higher low is painting nice and clean there. Let me take out some of, and you can see the higher low painting now. We have a low here, another higher low, a higher low. So maybe the market might push up or it might just push into this area and come back down. But as of this moment, it's stuck in a consolidation. That consolidation is giving us higher lows and lower highs and lower highs. So we want to see how this market will fare when it's ready. But as of this moment, the daily is painting bearish presence. So we might see a bearish push. But if the daily candle closes anything above this level or this level, then the bullish presence, the bulls will come back into the market. So we might just see them push this market higher. ETH also doing the same thing. Came back to that level. This level I drew is now painting some type of higher low scenario, which might mean the market want to push, which was this. It might want to push higher, or it might just continue pushing lower if it breaks this level on a solid time frame. If it gives us some type of bearish variation of an engulfing, then we are good to go for a sell. As of now, it's just talking in consolidation. So that is that. I think this breakdown exceeded the 10-minute limit I have. So I'll try next time to go to do under 10 minutes. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Follow me on all social platforms. Turn on the notification, and then I'll see you guys in the next class. All right, take care and goodbye. God bless.